everyone, and welcome to Dream Farm, a game about farms and dreaming. Please ignore the background. Why is this so loud? Please ignore the background sound. It is currently raining where I am. I'm all tucked up in bed because hell yeah. Yo, I'm a tourist. Yo, I read it. Yo, I'm like tucked up in bed and shit. I'm ready to play Dream Farm. Also, ignore the inhuman scratching at the windows. That's the things that come in the rain. It's fine. It's fine. I'll be fine. They haven't got me yet. But it's fine. I'm fine. Ha! Remember me? I'm Lisa. Oh my gosh, I do remember you, Lisa. Didn't I pull your pants down once in school? Yeah. Like in front of the popular kids? Yeah, no, I'd actually forgotten about that. I think trauma had buried it. Because they proceeded to beat the shit out of me. And you helped. Yeah, well, such is life. So stop scratching at the windows. It's not the right time, man. Fucking faceless beings. What the fuck are they doing out there? First of all, we need to plant some wheat in the farmland. Let me show you how to plant it. And now he's tapping with his gross finger. Whatever. Click the field of sow. Dude, stop! Click the field to sow. Yo, sowing be like? Yo, me when I sow? Yes, that's it! Drag crops in a row across multiple fields to continuously grow them. Yeah, okay. Select the fence first and then drag the cattle into the fence. Alright. Click on the small house in the cow pen to raise the cows. Wow, dude, do you mind? Stop tapping at my window. Dude, I can't even really tell what he's thinking. Behind all those teeth, it's hard to tell. Okay, well that time he just threw himself at the window. Bro, stay away from my window, you toothless, faceless being. You tooth-filled, faceless being. Yo, those are the fucking ugliest cows I've ever seen. Well, that's it. Next, clicks feed the cows. I really don't think those cows need more feeding. The cow is eating. Use green money to speed it up. Yeah, sure, I'll use some green money. The cow is eating. Use green... I just did that. What was that moo? Cows do not sound like that. Unless you're like running them over with your truck. Not that I would know anything about that. Oh great, the rain's getting heavier. More come. When it gets heavier, more come in the rain. You know what I mean? Oh, whatever, just ignore him. Look, the cow has produced milk. Click harvest milk. Yo, I'm harvesting so much milk right now. Yo, love. Dude, I told you to not throw yourself at my window. Wow, it's lucky to have a baby cow of good quality. A good quality baby cow. In addition, I remember the quality of animal babies, born in each pairing random. There are different qualities of animals: common, excellent, and rare. The higher the quality, the higher the yields. Yeah, whatever. Look, the wheat is ripe. Now we can harvest wheat. Show me with the wheat. I harvest it. Yo, let me slice up that wheat. Do well. Sure, that made sense. With wheat. Alright. We can produce delicious bread, but first learn how to build a bakery. So let me get this straight. I'm fucking running a fucking farm and a city. Yeah,
That's right. No big responsibilities or anything. Select the cake production technology to learn.
Sure, whatever. Yo, free? I get to update the city for free? Yo, let's do it.
You get no say in where the bakery goes.
Fine. Yo, this is gonna fucking rule. You guys ready for this? Oh, hell yeah. I just made the best fucking bakery.
Click the cake room to enter the making menu.
Fucking rude fucking monsters at the window, seriously. First the fucking knocking, now the screeching.
Click the cake room to enter the making menu.
Why would I do that when I can do your mum instead? Smash subscribe for more relatable content. Show 8 minutes? No, not even close. Yo, food. Congrats. Shit, thanks. What the fuck is that?
With your
The fucking car. Do you see that car?
With your operation, the popularity of this town is increasing day by day. We can distribute takeout orders from the town residents through drones. It's said that the order center of the UAV has been broken. It's a busy day.
Oh my god. I'm trying to play this fucking simulator. Stop it. I just left the window. Whatever. It's all good.
You said the order center of the UAV has been broken. It's been a busy day.
Yo, send. Sure, go for it. What are you doing? Get out of here. Did that go well?
Well done. The customers have received order goods, and the gold coins experience has all been recorded. It's a really good deal.
You know what else is a really good deal? Your mum. I got her for a great deal. From the slave trade. Sure, I got her for a great deal in the sex work. I've had sex with your mother.
By the way, now you can name your farm town. What's the name? Click here to name the farm.
Yeah, okay. I did not want to name it Dream Farm.
Well, too late. It's Dream Farm.
No. It's Fuck Farm. Oh yeah, thanks for letting me do that. Show. 8 minutes? Yes. Yo, smash that subscribe. Right, that's my door. Hold on. Fucking hell. First fucking creatures, now it's knocking at my door. Yeah, what is it? Yo, I'm back. Killed it. Managed to get it like fucking... Hold on. I got it. Managed to kill it. It kind of grabbed me and like dragged me like out the door for a second there, and it like wasn't looking great for me. And so I like acted on impulse and like kicked it in the face real fast. And then when it reeled back, I bolted down the stairs and like grabbed a knife out of like my kitchen sink, my kitchen kitchen drawer, and it came like bolting down the stairs at top speed, right, and like shot towards me. And all I had to do was like hold up the knife directly like its chest area, and it went directly through it, killed it instantly. I think it was the leader as well, because the other ones kind of disbanded into the sky, like kind of vanished from the windows and whatnot after he died. Disappeared into like dust and shit. It's pretty epic. Anyway, I think that's the end of the rain creatures. Well, I know it is. So, yo, smash subscribe for me killing rain creatures. Which would be a